Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a put on Etrade. First, understand that a put option gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to sell 100 shares of an underlying asset at a specified price by a certain date. This strategy is often used to profit from a declining stock price or to hedge an existing long position. To begin, log into your Etrade account and navigate to the trading section. Once logged in, you will find the Trade tab at the top of your screen. Click on this, and then select Options from the drop-down menu to access the Options trading interface. Here, you will enter the ticker symbol for the stock or exchange-traded fund you are interested in. For buying a new put option, ensure you select the Buy to Open action for your order type. Next, you will configure the specifics of your put option. Choose an expiration date that fits your market outlook. This is the date by which the option must be exercised. Then, select a strike price, which is the price at which you can sell the underlying asset. Finally, decide on the number of contracts you want to buy, remembering that one contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Before placing your order, meticulously review all the details, including the ticker symbol, expiration date, strike price, and the number of contracts. Pay close attention to the total cost of the premium and understand the maximum potential loss, which is the premium paid. Once you are confident in your selections, confirm your order to execute the put option trade on Etrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.